What's up, YouTube? wiredzero here. It's been a while since I uploaded a video due to my work schedule and a new program I've been developing, which I'll be doing a video on in the near future. In the past few weeks, I've been confronted by family, friends, and colleagues regarding how to buy and invest in Bitcoin. Whether or not investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency is a good idea is totally up to you. However, I personally believe Bitcoin is still a viable investment, as well as other cryptocurrencies. I do not see Bitcoin as a way of doing day-to-day transactions anymore due to the block size. However, as a form of investment, I think it'll hold its own weight. Again, this is my personal opinion. It's always a good idea to spread out your investment over a variety of forms of alternative cryptocurrencies. I have personally been involved with Bitcoin and mining since 2013. The purpose of this video is to show you how to easily purchase Bitcoin securely. How to buy Bitcoin. Now, the biggest confusion I see people having is how they can invest in Bitcoin, when at the time of this video, Bitcoin is well over $16,000. After explaining you can buy any amount, it starts to make a little more sense. So if you wanted to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, when this video was made, you would have about 0.00589891 Bitcoin. All right? Note the 8 decimal value here, people. All right? So we can go down 8 decimals. Something else someone told me recently was he had a guy take care of his crypto. And I was like, what? What are you talking about? You don't need to do that. All right. So you can handle all your own Bitcoin transactions on your own. It's very simple. You don't need a third party involved. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So, let's go ahead and get started here. It's not rocket science, people. It's not. I'm telling you, you can do it. All right. What you want to do is go to www.wiredzero.com/BTC. All right. What this is going to do is take you to Coinbase's registration page. All right. So what we want to do is go ahead and fill out this information and hit sign up now. So let's go ahead and do that. Congratulations. You got your own Coinbase account now. Thumbs up. Good job. Good job. All right. Even in the time of this video, Bitcoin's dropped down a little bit, which is a good thing, because if you're going to be buying, you want to buy them when it's lower. And then, that's how things go. So now that you have your Coinbase email confirmed, hopefully you figured out how to put your bank information in. And I don't feel like I got to walk you through that. So at this point, you just go to buy and sell, and you have different options here. So since this video premise is on Bitcoin, if we click Bitcoin and you type in any dollar amount you want. So if you wanted $100 in Bitcoin, now we're at 0.00607579. So that's how much Bitcoin you would own. That's how you do it. You don't need a third party. You can do it on your own. Remember, www.wiredzero.com/BTC. Help support the channel. And, if you invest more than $100, you're going to get $10 free Bitcoin using that link. Peace out, everybody. Happy Sunday night. wiredzero out.